In this question, it is given that two ships met mid-ocean and then one ship goes south and another ship goes west, both traveling at constant speed. 2 hours later, they are 60 km apart. If the speed of one of the ship is 6 km per hour more than the other one, then the speed in km per hour of the slower ship is questioned. Now I am going to take the meeting point of these two ships as A. And one ship is going to travel in the west direction, another ship is going to travel in the south direction. And both are going to travel for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, one of the ship will be here and the other ship will be here. I'm going to take these 2 points as B and C, and the distance between these 2 points is given in the question as 60 km. I'm going to take the speed of the slower ship as A. Then the speed of the faster ship will become what? Faster ship speed is given in the question as 6 km per hour more than the speed of the slower ship. So then this will become A plus 6, and both are going to travel at constant speed for 2 hours, and the distance covered by the slower ship, I'm going to keep this as the distance covered by the slower ship will be what? Speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time, so 2 hours into speed. So then AB will become what? 2 times of A plus 6. And we can apply the famous Pythagoras theorem here, because what is visible, from what is visible we can say one of the angle is going to be 90 degree. Then 60 square should be equal to 2a the whole square plus 2 times of a plus 6 the whole square. So expanding this, I'm going to get 3600 equal to a 4a square plus 4a square plus 144 plus 48a. Now I can rewrite this as 8a square plus 48a minus 3456 equal to 0, or I can also write this as a square. Simplifying, this is going to be a square plus 6a minus 432 to be equal to 0. Now factorizing this, so this can be written as what? A square plus 24a minus 18a minus 432 to be equal to 0. That will be a into a plus 24 minus 18 into a plus 24 to be equal to 0. So that is going to give me a minus 18 and a plus 24 to be equal to 0. So a will be equal to 18 or a is equal to minus 24, but speed can't be negative, so that means we are not going to consider minus 24. Then the speed of the slower ship will be 18, and option C is the answer for this question.